If you want to authenticate your email domain on GoDaddy, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, you'll know how to add the right DNS records for SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, so your emails are more likely to reach inboxes and your domain is properly verified with your email provider. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software and tech guides. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're inside, open your dashboard and head to My Products. From there, find your domain section and click Manage next to the domain you want to authenticate. This is the domain where you'll be adding the email authentication records. Next, click Manage DNS. This is where GoDaddy lets you control all the DNS settings for your domain, including the records that email providers use to verify your sending domain. Take your time here because the exact records you add need to match the instructions from your email provider. Let's start with the SPF record. SPF tells mail servers which services are allowed to send email on behalf of your domain. To add it, click Add and choose TXT as the record type. In the host field, enter the @ symbol, which is @. That usually means the main root domain. Now in the value field, you'll enter the SPF string provided by your email service. If you're using Google Workspace, the value is v equals SPF1, include :_spf.google.com ~all. If you're using Microsoft 365, the value is v equals SPF1, include : spf.protection.outlook.com ~all. Make sure you use the correct version for your provider. Once everything looks right, click Save. After that, you'll add the DKIM record. DKIM adds a digital signature to your emails, which helps receiving servers confirm the message really came from your domain and wasn't altered along the way. To get the DKIM value, go to your email provider first. If you use Google or Microsoft, they'll give you a DKIM record name and key to paste into GoDaddy. Back in GoDaddy, click Add again and select TXT. In the host field, enter the DKIM selector name from your provider, such as google._domain key or whatever value they specify. Then paste the DKIM key into the value field exactly as provided. DKIM records are very sensitive to formatting, so double check there are no missing characters or extra spaces. When you're done, click Save. Now it's time for DMARC. DMARC helps tell receiving servers how to handle emails that fail SPF or DKIM checks, and it also gives you reporting visibility. To add it, click Add and choose TXT one more time. In the host field, type _DMARC. For the value, you can start with a basic DMARC policy like v equals DMARC1, p equals none, RUA equals mail to :u @yourdomain.com. This is a safe starting point because it tells mail servers to monitor your domain without rejecting emails right away. Just replace the email address with one you actually check so you can receive reports. Then click Save. Once all three records are added, the final step is patience. DNS changes can take time to update across the internet, so wait up to 24 hours for everything to fully propagate. In some cases, it may happen sooner, but it's best not to keep changing things too quickly while the records are syncing. After that waiting period, your domain should be authenticated for email sending through GoDaddy DNS, assuming the records were entered correctly. If your email provider includes a verification button, go back there and complete the check once the DNS has had time to update, and that's it. You've now learned how to authenticate an email domain on GoDaddy by adding SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records the right way. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.